Breaking news. A serious allegation has emerged under the jurisdiction of SDPO OMPI. On the OMPI to Amarpur Road, near OMPI Reang Colony Para, under OMPI Police Station, an on-duty SBO, along with another police officer present at the spot, has allegedly demanded Rupee 200 from an auto driver without issuing any official challan. The situation reportedly escalated when the auto driver attempted to record the incident on his mobile phone. The SBO allegedly tried to snatch the device to prevent him from capturing evidence. The driver asserted that any traffic violation must be processed strictly through the official online challan system, not through cash collection on the roadside. Demanding money without issuing a challan is illegal, and citizens have the right to record suspected misconduct occurring in public spaces. These allegations raise serious concerns regarding the conduct of the involved SBO and police personnel on duty.
Mana tak kede, ani sama angkai na. Puruk tu puruk ya tu. Saya nardi, tamo. Sar, ang bos kaimano. Nung fan ke fan tanya no, ang buji bela. Tangu kalau kita tan 200 taka sanba no. Inge botam sanba. Botam sanba. Nung tangu 200 taka sanba na sari tamo. Kamera tak kede. Tamo ani sama angkai na tamo, nim sama nung kadi. Are ang buji bela. Biri sama bok kadi. Fan tani nung tani. Ang tani saya bela. Tangu kalau tangu 200 taka sana no. Hah? अरे तो के सारक लिया फान तान के तान yang gosip le